Nusta akinang pa duna tocante de nos sing 26 Philippine Independence Day celebration. Tambe isa kita 21 anya aniversario ko Filipino flag raise na Aruba. Programa de nos ting idea ita Diaranson Diaranson 12 de juni. Nos ting protocolario como sa Jesor. Después ko hindi nang kota doon ang speech, doon ang flower offering. Después, nos ting pida de nos kultura, nos ting baila cultural, nos ting canción cultural.
126th Philippine Independence Day celebration. And also, like Amy mentioned, the 21st anniversary of the Philippine flag raising in Aruba. And with that, thank you, Aruba, for the opportunity for us to be able to raise our flag every year with no compromise and with freedom that we enjoy every day. History is the spirit we all want to share and partake in the annals of human existence, that somewhere down the road, Filipinos can contribute to the world the beauty of its race, the values of hard work and family, and the courage to face challenges with a strong mind and a brave heart. With this, we would like to invite our friends, supporters, and Aruba as a whole to please come and celebrate with us this momentous occasion of our flag raising and flower offering ceremony this coming 12 June, Wednesday, 10 to 12 noon at the Princess Wilhelmina Park. We will have a brindis and a cultural show during the said event to amplify our message of celebration and freedom to the Aruban community. A food sale also will follow, where you get to taste and experience Filipino food and festivity amidst our presence, of course. At the same time, our Filipino beauties will be proclaimed officially for the year 2024 and 2025.